Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Epify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to edit post after posting on Instagram from PC. Now to get started, let's open web browser and log in your Instagram account. Now go to your profile page by tapping on profile, and so here you can see your post. Click on it, see three dot on top right corner, tap on it. It will give you this option here. Tap on edit option where you can edit whatever you want. When you click on it, it will show you this kind of interface. Here you can add your caption. Let me add, hey, this is my first caption. So here is another option also. You can see add location, accessibility. You can add location. Also you can tag someone. When you click on photo, you will get the option to search a person. When you search a person, let me search Nike. When you search it, then tap on it. So here you have successfully tagged Nike on your post, and then tap on done option. So in this way you can edit your post after posting on Instagram from PC. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.